How to create a custom header on Shopify. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can get started with going from this as your header to customizing it to however you want. So let's get into it. Now, creating a custom header is not as difficult, and we will be doing it step by step so you guys can follow along. Now, the first thing with any header is the design. Obviously, this is a very basic design and we want to customize this. But we have this menu section and I don't like this menu. A lot of people never realize they are supposed to update their menu. So before we get into editing our header, first off, you want to design or create your new menu. So for that, you're going to go into your Shopify dashboard. And once you go into your Shopify dashboard, you're going to click on Online Store on the left side of your screen. Once you click on Online Store, you are going to click on Navigation. Now, once you click on Navigation, it will show you guys your menu. So you have your menu items, you can click on Add Menu, and you can create a new menu. If you scroll down, you have your filters. And if you want to do more customization, you can also just edit the pre-existing menu that you have, but I want to change that. So I will simply click on my main menu and you can edit that main menu. But if you're not certain about your new menu, then you can simply click on add menu and you can create a new menu. So it could be like the new demo menu. Then I will click on add menu item and I can start adding my items. And you're going to paste the links for these in the link box from your website. So we're going to go over here and we're going to paste our link or just link our homepage. Like this, I'm just going to add all of my little pages and I can click on add menu like this. Now, once I have added all the items that I want, I can click on save menu. And once this menu has been completed, I can go back and I have this specific new demo menu over here. Now I can remove my initial menu and place that instead. So we can, place that and have that in the place of our basic menu. Now we're going to begin editing our header and from there we can actually replace these. So once we click on Online Store, this page will open up and you can do one thing to just be safe. If you're worried that you will make some changes that you can't undo, then simply click on these three dots and click on duplicate. What this will do is create a duplicated version of the current theme that you have, everything as it is. And if you ever feel like you messed up, then you can go into your theme library and just publish the duplicated version before you edited your theme. Now we're just going to click on customize over here and you guys will be able to see a block editor on the left side of your screen. So first off, I have my announcement bar placed on top of my little header. So I actually want to maybe resize this a little so I can click on my announcement bar. And I have the alignment, I have, the text alignment as well. I can copy paste a link. I think I want to remove it for now. And I have this buy now button that I added in the code of my website. So if you have anything that you added in the code, you will have to remove it from the code section. But I'm going to go into our header now. So this is the header option over here. And you're going to click on your header and it will ask you, a bunch of different things that you can edit. So first off, you have your color scheme. You have background 1, background 2, accent 2, accent 1. Whatever accent colors you've selected, they will appear over here. Then you have your brand logo. You can click on change, you can click on select image, and you can upload your own images. So I'm going to click on add images and I'm going to upload this little logo over here. Now, once our logo has been uploaded, we're going to select it and click on done. And now you guys can see our logo has been added. Now, because of this, I think it's going to look a bit weird if my background color is also black. So I might want to change the logo of my background. Then I'm going to go with this gray color. Then you have your desktop logo position. So if you want it to be the top center, if you want it to be on the top left, depending on where your, where you want your logo to be. So let's say I just want it to be on the middle left, right beside our menu item. Now, after that, you have your menu. So I can click on change over here and click on change menu and select the one that I want to demonstrate. So this is the new demo menu that I created. I'm going to click on this, click on select, and now this one is going to appear on the top instead. Now, then you have your desktop menu type if you want it to be a mega menu or a drop down one. I want it to be a drop down one. Now you have your mobile logo position, which is going to be center. You have your spacing, how much padding you want at the bottom. I don't want any. Then we have our top section padding, which I'm also going to reduce the bottom padding as well, like this. Once you've edited the basic layout, you can click on theme settings on the left, click on colors, and select any other accent colors that you might want to use for the overall appearance of your website. So let's say I want to use this color, and I would set that as the accent, and then I can go back into my backgrounds and choose that as a accent color, but I think I like the gray one for now. Now, once you have changed the basic appearance, you can also embed applications onto your menu. And once you have completed all of these items, you have your basic theme settings. So you can also edit that as well as add custom CSS. But for us, I think this looks pretty good for now. If you want, you can also go on ahead and create a drop-down menu in your header. To do that, first off, I'm just going to save this as it is. So this is our new demo menu. Now, what I'm going to do is go back and go into navigation once more. Go into the new demo menu, just select it. And if I want anything to be a drop-down, I will simply click on add menu item. I want to list all my products in a drop-down. I'm just going to add Bohemian Wrap, click on add. Now I want this to be a sub item of the product section. I'm simply going to select it from the left side over here, move it up, and then you're just going to move it to the right. Now just like that, it has been created as a sub item of the products. Now I can click on save. And without having to even go into the editor, if I go into my online store and refresh it now, so I'm just going to wait for our refresh, and I'm just going to use a incognito window. You guys can see in the products I have Bohemian Wrap as a sub item. So in this way you can customize the appearance and the style of your headers. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to get started with customizing your header as well. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video, and make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.